Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about types of networks. So this is the presentation. Of types of networks. ఇవాళ presentation ఇవ్వబోతున్నాను లైక్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్క్స్ అయితే మనకు ఎన్ని టైప్స్ ఉన్నవి అవి ఎలా వర్క్ చేస్తాయని దానిపైన నేనైతే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో అంతకంటే ముందు నాకు ఎవరైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోరో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. So this is the basics. We should know this knowledge. We should have this knowledge. ఇటువంటి నాలెడ్జ్ అయితే మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే వెన్ ఎవర్ వీ గో టు దట్ కార్పొరేట్ వరల్డ్, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ థింగ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు నో. ఇవి అయితే చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి మన ఫ్యూచర్లో. సో కమింగ్ టు టాపిక్ types. So here we can see that two types of networks. Here one type first is wired network and the second one is wireless network. So in the world we know that there is a two types of networks like wired network and wireless networks. So if we want to share any data or anything, so or if we want to connect with a device, we can connect a wireless and by using the physically wired network also. By using wire also we can share the data, we can connect with that one device with another device. సో ఇలా వైర్డ్ నెట్వర్క్ అండ్ వైర్లెస్ నెట్వర్క్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయి మనకు తెలుసు. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ వైర్డ్ నెట్వర్క్. సో we know that the wired network means it is the physically medium means. సో ఇక్కడ చూడవచ్చు మనం, by connecting the wires we can share the data or we can connect two devices. సో ఒక డివైస్ని కనెక్ట్ చేయాలన్నా, ఒక డాటాని వన్ డివైస్ నుంచి అనదర్ డివైస్కి షేర్ చేయాలన్నా కూడా మనం త్రూ ద వైర్, బై యూజింగ్ వైర్ వీ కెన్ షేర్ దట్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాల్డ్ వైర్డ్ నెట్వర్క్. సో యాజ్ we all know that wire refers to any physical medium made up of cables. So by using cables we can share the data, we will connect with that systems. And coming to the wireless network, here wireless means without wire, a media can transfer by electromagnetic waves, EM waves or infrared waves. Means here in wireless network we didn't use any wire, we didn't use any physical medium. So without using wire, without using any physical medium, we can share the data to one device to another device. We can transfer that files. And also if we want to connect with both systems by using this network also, we will connect without any physical medium. So in wireless network we have different types to connect. Different methods and different structures are there. So according to, based on our purpose, we will use that type. Here we will discuss that. So wireless network will work like this. Means here you can see that the animation, the file is transferring from one system to another system by the electromagnetic waves and or infrared rays. So ఇలా అయితే మనకు ఫైల్ అయితే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో we can't see that it is a wireless network, no? So then we can't see that. And in wireless network example, mobile phones. Here we are not using mobile phones with cable now. Like if we want to speak with anyone in phone call, so in smartphone we are not using any cable to connect with that smartphone. Here we are speaking wirelessly. And satellite also, it is we will communicate with the satellite without using any cable. In radio also we are in our home or in forest or wherever we went, so we can listen the radio without any cable. Means we no need to connect with that cable with that station. Into the next thing. So in wide network, so we have different methods are there. So local area network, and second one is personal area network, and third one is metropolitan area network, and fourth one is wide area network. Here we have that four types of networks. These are the major networks. Means so mostly we use these four types of networks, and I will explain those things. Before explaining those types, So I think you know all that switch. This is the uh, example switch machine, 24 ports switch. Whenever you go that, even in your in your company or in your college or school, in laboratories we can see that in box, some boxes, glass boxes, there is a server. In server room there is a server, and like these wires you can see, you can observe those. That is called switch, and that switch having 24 ports. Before going to that, we can see that here the 24 ports switch. So in our schools or colleges, we can observe that the 24 ports switch in our laboratories or in server rooms. So that servers in laboratories, we can see that there is a lot of systems. The all systems will connect by using those bus networks, or by using those topologies. So those systems will connect with the wired with these 24 ports switch. With this 24 port switch, we can operate those systems in server room, in server system. In single system only we can see that all those systems, that person is which site is opening and what is doing in that system, we can see that in single system only with this 24 ports switch. And here two switches are used for input and output, and we can take that data cable, input cable in the first, and at the edge of the hole we can use that to share, to connect with another extra 24 sports switch also. And coming to the to networks, this is the local area network. Means in our laboratories, from 24 ports switch to, we connect that our laptops or our mobile phones, or so any desktops or printer. So that is called a local area network. In we use that in 10 kilometers only, around 10 kilometers only we can use that. And coming to the second type of network, so the local area network is covers an area around 10 kilometers. So we can connect through the fiber optical cables. By using fiber optical cables around 10 kilometers, we can connect and without any interactions. Example, laptops, printers, scanners. The coming to the topologies. In the topologies, there is a three types of topologies: bus topologies, ring topology, and star topology. So if we want to use that local area network, by using these topology structures, we can connect them. Like coming to the first one is bus topology. Here we can see that the animation is going like the blue dot is running now. So this is the called data. The red color is the connection. The data is sharing from one system to another system, like this. The like which how the blue dot is moving. The systems are here. The systems are connected with the single cable only. Single cable only. The systems are connected in offices or campuses. We can see that if one system is failed, there is no effect with another system in this structure, in this topology. And coming to the second ring topology, here the color is moving, color is moving from one system to another system. So this is the called ring topology. The data will store, the data will transfer from one system to another system, like in single wire only. The systems are connected like a ring, in ring shape. So in between, if the system is damaged, in one system is damaged, or in one system is failed, so the data will not able to go to the another system. Like that happens in ring topology. In ring topology is like a topology but with connected ends. Means there is no end without any connection. We use in offices, campuses, and small size buildings also. And coming to the third topology, star topology. Here you can see that left side star topology, how the data is sharing with uh, systems from server. Here the systems are connected with the switch hub. Hub means it is like a bridge, and it shares the data from one system to another system. There is no any effect if one system fails. If the hub is failed, so it may be affected with the whole systems only. It is not like a bus topology and ring topology. If one system failed also, there is no effect in connections in star topology. Coming to the second type of network, metropolitan area network. So it is a metropolitan area network that covers a larger geographical area, interconnecting a different local area network to form a large network. Means in metropolitan area network, we can observe that small local area networks are there. So all those local area networks connection is called as a metropolitan area network. Here you can see that first local area network, second, third, fourth, and we there is no limit to connect those local area networks. A metropolitan area networks refers to a network that covers an entire city by using cable television network. We can see that in Geo or in mobile, they are sharing their data to entire city from one station or one office. They are sharing the data by using this metropolitan area network. They are sharing the data to home. In our home we are using the data for mobile phones or desktops or printers, scanners, like that we are using. So that is called a local area network. The entire homes, the entire areas will called as a metropolitan area network. And coming to the third one, uh, wide area network, it connects with the worldwide. Means one in one country with another country. So here we can see that we are connected with the Google, and so we are taking the data from Google, so without using any connection, without using any cable. So this is the called wide area network. The Google server is there in another country, and we are able to take the data from that online by using this wide area network. A wide area network is a network that extends over a large geographical area, such as states or countries. So this is the called wide area network. A wide area network is a quite bigger than network than local area network. So a wide area network refers to a network that connects countries or continents. So it connects through the telephone line, fiber optic cable, or satellite links. So we can see that uh, the countries will connect with the cable in seas also, in oceans also. We can see that there is a cables, and by using satellite also the countries will connect with that. And the internet is one of the biggest wild area network in the world. We are using internet now, so without using any connection also we are using that internet. So this is the called wide area network. The entire global is connecting with the www dot. So whatever you want to we are going to search in Google, we are going to search in internet. So that data is stored in somewhere, the data stored in somewhere in or somewhere country, but we are able to access that data, we are able to load that data by using this wide area network only. So it is possible. So thank you.